Hello everyone, welcome to MCAN Health's Aftercare instructions for breast surgeries. Proper care is vital for the best recovery. Here are the key steps. After the operation, you will be given a special bra to promote healing and give your breast a better shape. You must wear your special bra for 3 to 4 weeks unless your surgeon tells you otherwise. Also, sleep on your back with your upper body elevated to reduce pressure on the breasts. Follow your surgeon's instructions for scar care to help optimal healing. This may include applying scar cream as recommended. The bandage on your incision should be kept for 2 weeks unless your doctor states otherwise. You are responsible for keeping your dressings clean and dry to prevent infection. For the first 3 weeks, you may do low-intensity sports as well as lower body exercises, but avoid using the upper body muscles for 6 weeks. Avoid smoking and drinking alcohol for at least 3 weeks, as they can slow down the healing process and increase the risk of complications. Avoid swimming pools, sea, steamy, and hot areas for a month. After 6 weeks, you can start wearing a sports or supportive bra. You may continue all exercises after 3 months. Please do not force your breast muscles, especially if you're having a breast augmentation. All incisions will be extremely sensitive to sunlight during the healing phase. Therefore, the sun exposure should be avoided for at least 6 months. Around a year, your breast will be fully healed and final results can be seen. Please maintain a healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, and try to keep your weight stable. Your nurse at MCAN Health will closely monitor your healing process during a year. Please share your photos with them, and in case of any questions or concerns, reach out to them right away. Thank you for watching. As MCAN Health, we wish you a happy and healthy life.